Bonjour! Napanood nyo na ba ang TV series na Emily in Paris? Well, this is the very location. It has become a global phenomenon attracting millions of viewers around the globe. And this very apartment is located in the heart of the City of Light. So maraming nagpapapicture dito actually until now. Kahit pa 2022 pa lang yung TV series na yon. And look at the location. It has a very unique ambience. And of course, the action take place around the French restaurant of Chef Gabriel. And ito na yung restaurant na yon. And of course, magpapahuli ba ang bakery wherein Emily buys her very first pao chocolat. So, ito yung bake shop na yon. Magkakalapit lang yung mga